I'm Bruce Tuffman, and I've got big guns. Ever since I was a kid, I've been interested in guns. I got guns deep down in my heart. I got guns built into my bones. I got guns flowing through my veins. I breathe guns, eat guns, and sleep guns. I love guns. Now I'm gonna walk out the door. I'm gonna see things outside. Today, I'm hunting a snowbank, my worst enemy. See that over there? That's the Australian snowbank, the most dangerous one of them all. And I'd like you to meet someone. So here's my new shotgun. Her name's Shirley. Now let's go a-hunting. Say your prayers, little man. That snowbank got it good. Don't you think so? Look at the carnage. I hope it learned its lesson. Never mess with Bruce Tuffman. Join us next time for Big Guns.